Okay, good morning, students. Let's start for the today's new topic. Okay, let me go back to again my PPT. Okay, this is exactly the PPT. Let me use as a full screen. Okay, so basically the previous sections we already done the SVGs. SVG's full form is the scalable vector graphics, right? Where we are discussing about to the graphs, right? Or we can say as the shapes, mathematical shapes. Okay, so we can use that using by the SVG. So right now what we are doing today's our new topic is 3.8 that is called the Math ML. Math ML means what? Which stand for mathematical Marfat language. Okay, what is that Math ML? Which stand for the mathematical Marfat language. Okay, is a markup language used to describe a mathematical and the scientific content on the web. Okay, it also or it's allow you to include a mathematical equations and expressions directly into HTML documents, ensuring they are correctly rendered by a browser and other web technologies. Simply what happened, guys, if you want to mathematical conditions, we are using to the math ML or mathematical condition, not I want to say that mathematical equation, like x squared to 1 upon 2, this kind of stuff. If you want to write, we are using to the math ML. Okay, math ML functionality we are using. So basic structures of what mathematical Marfat language uses XML syntax to represent a mathematical expressions. It is consist of the elements that describe the various mathematical structures like fractions, square roots, integer, etc. Okay. Right now, I would you like to focus, guys. See this example. Let's say you want to express the equation. Why I want to put inside of my web page y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. What I want to represent over there in my web page. See again back, y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So this is exactly I want to use that. So how we can do that? See, let's go. Before that, you need to understand some basic concept about to the what is the math, what is the MRO, MI, MO, MN, MSOAP. So that is also we need to understand, because this is exactly the tag which one we are using when we want to represent to the mathematical condition, okay, or mathematical expression, okay, or equation. After that, let's go. First, see over here, I want to write first canva, or we can say the that particular content. So this is exactly the content which one we are starting from over here. This is called math. Okay, so let me introduce over here. Okay, now you can see math. Okay, first we need to write a mathematical equation. Math. Okay, this is the math open, math close, done. Okay, are you getting? Okay. After that, I want to write over here one attribute where we can fetch that data, or we can say the like same like as bootstrap means we are taking lot of what we can say like automatically rendering purpose. Okay, means everything the backend file is already on the internet, over here just are loaded. So that purpose we need to write inside of that XML because it's depending on XML. Okay, let me show you again over here. See, it's XML. Okay, we need to use that. Okay, after that is equal to I am writing inside of the link. Okay, so which link following this HTTP. Okay, after that colon double slash. Okay, www dot. Okay, what that www dot which one? Okay, see again back. Okay, www dot w3 school, right? W3 org. Okay, after that again slash I want. After that, what I want to do? I want to do the 1998. Okay, slash. Okay, after that math. Okay, again math, and the last one I want to write over here math ML. So this is exactly the link are taking, okay, from over here. After that, I am going to over here, okay, control S save. Now understand what is the concept of all thing and what I want to write. Let me show you also in our paint, okay, what exactly I want to write over here. I want to write, um, what that x square maybe, right? Okay, see, I want to write over here y. Okay, it's too small. So y I just want to present over here. Y is equal to, okay, what is that? Ax square plus, right? Plus what? Bx plus C, isn't it? So this is exactly I want to represent. You can see over here I wrote it already. Okay. Now this is exactly we need to represent. Now see what we need to do after we are completing math function. Math function is what? Math function why we are using. This is the root element indicated that a math ML content is represent. Okay, means I have to the math something stuff and that one it's representing my math function. Okay. After that, over here, what I have to the M row. M row means what? I want to create a rows. See, this represent a row or a sequence of mathematical expressions. Okay. Right now, if you are going over here, okay, let me do a live also right now. Okay. Now see, it is right now live also over here. Okay. I'm going, let me reduce this size so it will be look better and you can understand also very well. Okay, now see I am over here and I'm writing right now one row. So if you can see in our equation we have only the one row, right? Isn't it? How many rows we have to the only a one row present, right? So that's why we need to write over here only math row, right? Isn't it? M row. Okay, don't forget to use the this one math row, okay, and closing. Okay, now everything whatever the equation I have, this all things coming inside of the math row. Okay, now we are going over here. After that math row we need to use to the mi means what? Mi means this is the represent a variable or an identifier. Okay, means what? Simply if we can see, if I want to write a b c d, these are indicated using by mi. So let me use to the mi. Okay, let me use the this one. Okay, mi. Inside of mi, what is my first letter? You can see my first letter is y. Okay, so this y I am putting inside of this. Okay, y is ready. After that y, I want to create a sign operator. So, but if I want to write a sign, don't write like this. Okay, we need to write. See, this is sign exactly we are doing right now, isn't it? This is equal to sign, right? Equal to sign we need to. So, sign are representing by MO. Okay, MO means what? Mathematical operators. Okay, and MI means what? Mathematical identifier. Okay, identifier means what? It's a variable A, B, C, D. Okay, and MO means what? It's a operator. Okay, like a mathematical operator. This is the represent and the operator. So I have the operator that is called the equal to, right? See, this is equal to we have, and I'm presenting via MO. Okay, let me go over here. MO represent, okay, MO represent a mathematical operator. Okay, so I have to the equal to sign. Okay, let me use the equal to sign. So equal to sign is there. Okay, after the equal to sign we are using another or something. See what another? Mi, right? Not another anything. Again we have to the what? You can see an equation I have again to the syntax, right? So syntax not, I have again this a, and a is how we can write using by character only or variable only. So variable how we can write using by mi, right? See mi, previously also we used to the mi. So right over here mi. Okay, after that mi I want to do over here, what is that? Maybe later is a, huh? Okay, so a I want to write. So a also done. Are you getting? See, we are reaching to our goal as soon as possible. After that, see properly over here, the magic will be the change. We do not need to use again the, mi and x. No, over here the concept is the superscript, right? Isn't it? So how we can write the superscript? Let me teach first. So there is a concept about called m sup, means mathematical superscript. Okay, so see, this is the represent superscript used for the exponential. Means when we have to the square, roots, this that. So we are using what? To the m sup. Okay.